Welcome back, everyone. Today, we are going to take a deep dive into the world of...
Tractor brake bands.
You got it. Specifically, the ABC337 Lined Brake Band. We'll look at the product description, some key features and dimensions.
And even dive into some user reviews.
Okay, so the ABC337, this brake band, it's all about durability and performance, right? Reliable stopping power. When I see robust lining, what jumps out at me is...
Heavy-duty use, yeah. Longer lifespan. The robust lining, it's key. Different lining materials, you see. They have different levels of friction.
And wear resistance, right?
Exactly. You want something that can handle the demands of a tractor. And it looks like the ABC337 is built for that.
Now, I'm curious about these sturdy attachment points for the brake rods they mentioned. What are those all about?
Well, think about it. Brake rods, those are the connection, the link between your foot on that pedal and the brake band itself.
Oh, I see. So when you hit that pedal...
You're sending force through those rods, and that activates the band, ultimately slowing the tractor down. Those sturdy attachment points, they're crucial. Absolutely crucial.
Yeah, because you don't want anything coming loose when you need to stop.
Exactly. No loose connections allowed when safety is on the line.
Makes total sense. So let's get into the nitty-gritty here. They give us some specific dimensions. We've got 516 by 24 to 238 rod thread, 1714 rod length, and a bandwidth of 112.
Oh no, they're important for everyone, especially if you're the one doing the repairs. Take the rod thread, for example. That has to match the threading on your brake mechanism perfectly.
Oh, so if they don't match?
You're going to have problems. You need that tight, secure fit to prevent the rod from loosening, especially with all the vibration going on.
Right, because a loose rod would mean...
a less effective brake, which is a big safety hazard. And those other dimensions, the rod length and bandwidth, those matter too.
How so?
Well, they ensure proper contact and force distribution within the whole braking system. It's all about having things work together seamlessly.
Gotcha. So we've got the specs, but what about real-world experience? We've got these online reviews, and they're really positive. People are praising this brake band for its durability, how easy it is to install, and they're really impressed with the braking action, even in tough conditions.
That's what's so cool about user reviews. You get that validation of the technical stuff. When you see consistent praise for the ABC337's longevity, you know it's probably saving people money down the line. Fewer replacements means less downtime, lower maintenance costs. It all adds up.
You mentioned earlier that you're thinking about this ABC337 for your vintage tractor, is that right?
I am. That's actually what got me interested in it initially. I love that they market it as a good choice for vintage tractors.
Oh, yeah, for sure. It says right here, great option for vintage tractors.
Yeah.
But they also give a little warning. Does not fit models 154, 184, or 185. Always a good reminder to double-check those numbers. You don't want to order the wrong part. It looks like they've even listed all the tractors that are compatible. Did you know, for example, that this fits Cub tractors up to serial number 180C3600?
I did see that. And I also noticed they provided 2 replacement part numbers, 350-967-R21 and 350-967-R22. I think that's really smart of them.
Yeah, why is that?
Well, part numbering systems, they can be a bit of a mess, especially when you're dealing with older equipment. Having those multiple reference points, like those replacement numbers, it really increases your chances of finding the right part, even if it's being sold under a different name or number.
It's like a decoder ring for tractor parts. It really makes you think. You know, this whole conversation about the ABC337 has me wondering, if something as seemingly simple as a brake band can make such a huge difference in how a tractor performs, are there other often overlooked parts that could be secretly impacting the machines we rely on every day?
That's a fantastic point. It reminds us to pay attention to the hidden complexities and the things that make our lives work, the things we take for granted. It's kind of fascinating when you think about it.
You're telling me. So next time you fire up your tractor, or even just grab a simple tool, think about the engineering that went into it, all the design choices, the materials, all the things that have to come together just right. And hey, if you're ever replacing a part, double check those numbers.
Always a good idea.
Thanks for joining us for this deep dive. We'll see you next time.
See you then.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.